What's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is a very special video because I'm going to finally take a look at my car. It's fully wrapped. I just know it's going to be looking so clean and I'm really excited to see the final product. My car is currently at my boyfriend's shop, so let's head over there to finally take a look.
Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll up the garage door and then I'm gonna tell her to turn around when I'm ready. All right, so moment of truth, we're here. You can go ahead and turn around and look at your car. You ready?
Oh, this shit looks hella clean. Oh my god. This shit looks hella clean.
Thank you,
Wow,
thank you.
Wow, this looks so good, you guys. Oh my god. This looks so freaking clean. This shit clean as fuck, and this shit only gonna get better. My car just went to a whole different level. Oh my god, dude, we gotta get some closer shots of my car. You guys, my car is looking so freaking good. You can't tell me it's not. I love the color that I chose. Let's look at it from the front. Oh my goodness. It kind of sucks that it's not sunny right now, so you guys could get its full effect. But at least we have some light up in here, which it honestly could be brighter. You could have turned those lights on.
Well, sorry about that. It was one of those like reveal moments. I can't. Okay. Get some more shine on it. Bam.
On another day, I could take some shots so you guys could see, but definitely go look at my Instagram. I will try to have some pictures up by then when this video is out. We intentionally did not wrap the trunk or the roof. As you can see, some parts are still black, such as the handle, right here on the mirror. My side skirt and my lip isn't either. So that's all intentional. So I have my car here behind me. It looks so good. I honestly love how my car came out. And honestly, this color took my car to the next level. The wrap choice was on point, chef's kiss. I absolutely love it. Shout out to my man who wrapped my car. And if you're in the Sacramento area, make sure to hit him up. This is what he does. He wraps, he tints. He doesn't wrap like that, but he wraps cars, he tints, and you know, car related stuff. So make sure you hit him up. I'll leave it down below in the description box. I can't thank him enough for working so hard on my car, and I love it, and I love him. Okay, that's it. Bye.
So I will say that overall, the more pieces I put on it, it just looked better and better. Sadly, I know, like she mentioned in the video, we didn't get some sunlight because in the sunlight it looks even better than it does in here, which in here it looks really, really good, especially because I sprayed it down and made sure to give it that shine. But when we pull it outside, which I know eventually she'll show it in the videos in the future, especially now she's going to want to drive it everywhere, it looks even better. And like she said, if you guys are interested, down in the description, let me know. This could be your car. This could be you. You know, purple, pink, whatever your mind can. There's even glitter colors out there. There is.
Yes, there's definitely girly colors out there, but I decided to go with this color just because I like the neutral of it, and I haven't seen this wrap color. This wrap color just came out like a month ago. I'm going to buy another wrap color that is very similar, but not as dark. So I had the color Sandstorm in mind. It's very similar to this one right here, but the Sandstorm wrap color is lighter. This one is a little bit more deeper and just honestly goes better with the black, and it was new. So I went ahead and got the wrap, and this is how she came out. So here's a comparison of the gloss Sandstorm. It's very similar, but as you could tell, like it's a little bit lighter, like just by a tad bit, it's lighter, and this one is a little deeper. What's up, you guys? It's a couple days later. It's Easter actually, so happy Easter to everyone who celebrates it. I'm going to show you guys what the car looks like in the sun. It's finally nice and sunny out here in Sacramento. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in the sun. It looks 10 times better. Let's go.